Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kanak, and today we are going to do yet another pick a card reading, uh, where we are going to talk about, or rather, the topic of our reading is what is it that you are not seeing in your situation? What is it that you're kind of missing on about maybe your life scenario or a particular situation or in general about yourself. So that is our topic for today. And and yeah, also we will have three piles to choose from as usual. Um, and also there will be separate videos for each pile because I feel that it would be easier for people to understand which pile calls them rather than uh, picking in the same video. So that would be it. Now I shall see you at your reading. So hello pile 3, welcome to your reading. And we will see into the topic for today, which is what is it that you are not seeing about your life, about your situation, or just about yourself. We will dive deep into it, and before doing that, I would like to mention and share that uh, I do take personal readings. So, if you would want a personal reading from me, you can reach out to me on my email ID given in the description box below. So, I would see you there if in case you want that. Uh, and Now, yeah, let's get started with your reading. What is it that pile number 3 isn't seeing about their situation, their life, or just about themselves? We'll take only those cards. Shit. Just give me a moment. Cards just fell down and there were like plenty of them. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Take only those cards which drop, flip. Okay, more cards, please. Okay, thank you. More cards, please. Thank you. One more card, please. Okay, we'll keep that here. Oh, yeah. Also, I would take cards from the Lightseer Tarot deck. I forgot to mention that I'll be using this tarot deck, which is a newer one that I purchased. And this deck has, like, in its every card, there is a cat, that too a black cat. Honestly, different cats there are, but yeah. And I love cats, and it is a witchy deck, a pretty magical deck. So it is exciting for me to read from that. Okay, let's see. What is it that wants to come through from this? Thank you. Oh my god, wow. The Six of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords. Okay. Thank you. The Seven of Swords is reversed. The Two of Pentacles upright. The Two of Wands upright. Okay, we another card fell. The Queen of Cups. And I think that is all. The Five of Wands from the bottom. And the King of Wands from this one. Okay. So I'll show you the cards which dropped. Okay. So, okay. So we have the Knight of Cups. Firstly, the Devil, the Nine of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, and from the Lightseers Tarot deck we have the Five of Wands from the bottom, the Knight of Swords from this deck, the Queen of Swords, the Seven of Swords which came upright, sorry, reversed, the Two of Pentacles upright or reversed. It did came reversed, yeah. Two of Wands, the Queen of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Okay. So, firstly, what is it that you're not seeing about yourself here is that you, the first thing that came through is the Knight of Cups. So, and also the Devil. So, there are a lot of people who fantasize about you, pile number three. And, like, obviously, in that way, in a romantic sense, or even in, uh, yeah, fantasy things. I see that. Uh, and you have charm, pile number three. You have that charm about you, and feel that you don't see that about yourself. You feel that maybe, like, yeah, I, I am hearing that. I am hearing a phrase which says that, yeah, I'm just a normal guy. I'm just a normal person, but I don't really see that, I mean, you have a thing about you, some special. There is a special element to you, even if you behave normally, you do things which are like pretty mundane, routine, but there is something about whatever you do, in whatever situation you are, whatever you're, seeing, maybe you're watching something, or any sort of, you just being you, pile number three. There is some special element, there is some charm about you in that sense. In romantic sense, obviously, but in that sense. And also, you have a pretty active energy because we have the Knight of Wands, uh, and the Knight, like we have the Knight of Wands and the Knight of Swords also, pretty much from different decks, yeah, pretty much क्या मतलब अलग deck से. तो मुझे ये लगता है कि आपकी एक एक्टिव एनर्जी है, pile number three. Like, I don't think that you just, you don't have a laying back attitude. You are like that person who is always on the goal. Like, I'm hearing go 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 go. Just don't sit. Just don't, like, obviously you rest whenever you can or whenever you want, but majority of it is about being on the go, of focusing on creating your stability, creating whatever you believe in, and indulging in things which actually means something to you, or means something to somebody who has लाइक जो दूसरों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट हो और वो आपके लिए कुछ डीपर मीन करता हो, तो उसमें भी आप अपना टाइम इन्वेस्ट करते ज़्यादा ही मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है. एंड ऑल्सो फ्यूचर पे आपका ज़्यादा ध्यान रहता है, लाइक इन्वेस्टिंग योर टाइम इन हाउ यू कैन क्रिएट your future the best. That is something that you always think about. And you don't see about yourself that you are a winner. You have that winner mindset, you have that winner attitude always. Six of Wands is a card of victory. Like, you always have that spotlights on you. You can see there are like lights coming on to this girl. So I feel that for you, like you always have that energy where you wouldn't go unnoticed. And all of this attention spotlight theme that is going on here, it does not come from something exterior, or something that you do outside of you, maybe some makeup. I don't think so that comes from that. It comes from who you are, file number 3. And also, because of this nature of you, there are a lot of people who actually find themselves comparing to you. Yeah, now this comparison can be unconscious, or maybe in face. I don't feel that much, but I think pretty much in their own minds, I see that. And uh okay, I need to take one more card from this deck. Let's see. What is it that wants to come? Okay, the Ace of Cups just fell down. I'm gonna take it. Yeah. So we have the Ace of Cups. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. We have the Ace of Cups. Um, and the. Okay. I think that sums up it all. One more card. Sorry. Okay. The King of Swords. Wow. I love that for you, pile number 3. One more. One more. The Judgment. Okay. One more. Thank you. Okay, that is all. Okay, so we have the Ace of Pentacles from the bottom, the Nine of Wands, the Judgment, and the King of Swords. I think pile number 3, you're a pretty wholesome, holistic sort of a person, because as I said, you have that charm, you have that wit also to you. Like, I think you're pretty witty, you are pretty like someone who goes by their heart also in situations, or at times when they feel like they need to follow their heart. So you're also that. And you're also that person who is practical whenever situations demand for you to be, like, yeah. And okay, one more thing that you don't really see about yourself. Firstly, all of these qualities that I just described uh, are something that, even if you feel, I think you don't really believe in those qualities as much. uh, so one message that comes here for you is that you should believe in all of these qualities, because you are actually naturally a pretty balanced person, because you are as I said earlier, you are pretty wholesome, pretty holistic in who you are. So, you know, yeah. So, what I was saying is that since you are all of these things, uh, it is important for you to actually, you know, accept all of these things. Accept your true nature as a soul, because this is who you are. So, broadly, if I have to say what is it that you need to see about yourself, that would be to see your own soul, to see the true nature of your own soul. I think that would be bullseye. That would be the one or one sentence, single sentence answer for this question for you, pile number three. And it's like uh, the soul that you are, pile number three, the things that you do, you are pretty much capable of monetizing them, or using those things to actually create something tangible for yourself, something valuable for yourself. We have the Ace of Pentacles, and since we mentioned that, we also have the Nine of Pentacles, and Nine of Pentacles is a pretty independent energy, like having your own home, having your own space, your own workspace. Also, I'm getting, so you have that within you, pile number three. Any other messages? One guidance, if at all that wants to come through. Let's see. Guidance for pile number three. Let's see that. Guidance for, okay, that flew. Think it through. Okay. Guidance for pile number three. Okay, thank you. Step into your power. Oh my god, that was in the back of the deck when I picked this deck. And this card just came through. Okay, thank you. Find a balance. Oh my god, we just mentioned it. uh, okay. This is. We need one more card. One more card. Thank you. No, not this one, sorry. One more card, Spirit. One more card. Okay. See the bigger picture. That is all. Okay, we have too many cards, honestly, and I'm taking all of these then. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, so the cards that we have is. I'll show you the cards. First, we have Think It Through, New Moon in Gemini. Then we have, Find a Balance. Then we have New Moon in Pisces, which is attuned to the divine. And we just talked about that you have to see the true nature of your soul. That pretty much aligns with what we said. See the bigger picture again and step into your power. Bingo. So, with all of these cards, I think all of these cards pretty much sums up what we talked about. So it is about pile number three. Like, firstly, you have to understand that you are doing. मुझे लगता है कि आपको पाइल नंबर थ्री ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि मतलब आपको बस खुद को पहचानने की ज़रूरत है, खुद को और ज़्यादा रिफाइन करने पर फोकस करने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक आई थिंक यू आर अ प्रिटी इवॉल्व्ड सोल, यू माइट बी एन ओल्ड सोल, कि आपकी सोल इतनी इवॉल्व्ड है कि उन्होंने अपने आप के ऊपर ये इतना काम किया है इन द प्रीवियस लाइफ टाइम्स, अपनी अपनी एनर्जी को एलिवेट किया है टू सर्टेन एक्सटेंट, एंड योर वर्क ऑनेस्टली इट इज़ जस्ट टू कीप दैट level up and even higher. And also, obviously, हाई तभी होगा जब आप उसको रिफाइन करते रहेंगे, जब उसको मेंटेन करते रहेंगे, उसको बैलेंस करते रहेंगे। तो ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अपनी सोल को मेंटेन करके रखना, अपनी सोल से कनेक्शन बनाए रखना सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए। एंड उसको बैलेंस करना, बैलेंस किस चीज़ को करना, ऑनेस्टली यहाँ पर अपने नेचर को, जो आपके अंदर एक जो पोलैरिटी है, यहाँ पे एक जो वैरायटी है पाइल नंबर 3 के अंदर, उसको बैलेंस करना है। जैसे मैंने कहा कि आप चार्मिंग है, you are witty, you are emotional also, and you are pretty much practical in different sense. Sorry, you are pretty much practical in different sense. So it is important for you to balance that out for yourself. So yeah. So anything else? Yeah. That is all I'm getting for you. Pile number 3. Again, it is a general reading, so take what resonates, leave the rest. And if you like how I read cards, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot for me, and I don't think it would take away anything from you to do that for me. Thank you. I hope you liked this video, or I hope that you enjoyed watching the video, hearing the reading. Thank you. Again, I shall see you in my next reading. Until then, take care. Lots of love. Bye.